In this example, we will be looking at nested if statements. Here are the subgoals for selection statements. Subgoal 1 states to diagram which statements go together. Subgoal 2 states that for an if statement, determine whether the expression is true or false. For subgoal 3, if the expression evaluates to true, follow the true branch. If the expression evaluates to false, follow the else branch, or do nothing if there is no else branch. First, we have the declarations of several variables. Then, we are asked to evaluate these statements and determine the value of all variables used. If omega is less than kappa, then if alpha is less than delta, eta is assigned the value 5. If alpha is less than eta, gamma is assigned the value 4. Rho is assigned the value -1.0. For subgoal 1, we diagram which statements go together. If no curly braces are present, then by default, all if and else branches have only a single statement. For our if statement of omega less than kappa, we have curly braces, so we know this is one block. Inside that if block, we have two nested if statements. They do not have curly braces, so they have only a single statement each. Following the outer if statement is a single assignment statement for rho. This is the next sequential statement. For an if statement, we determine whether the value is true or false. First, we evaluate if omega is less than kappa. Omega is assigned the value 2.5. Kappa is assigned the value 3.0. 2.5 is less than 3.0, so the statement is true. Since the statement is true, we execute the if branch. We first look at the nested if statement of if alpha is less than delta. Alpha is assigned the value 2. Delta is assigned the value 3. 2 is less than 3, so again the statement is true. So we again follow the if branch, and eta is assigned the value 5. The next sequential statement is another selection statement, so we will repeat. We evaluate if alpha is less than eta. Alpha is assigned the value 2. Notice that eta has the value assigned to it from the previous if statement. Eta is assigned the value 5. 2 is less than 5, so the statement is true. So we again follow the true branch, and gamma is assigned the value of 4. The next sequential statement is always executed. Rho equals -1.0. This brings us to our final answer. Omega is assigned the value 2.5. Kappa is assigned the value 3.0. Alpha is assigned the value 2, delta is assigned the value 3, eta is assigned the value 5, gamma is assigned the value 4, and rho is assigned the value -1.0.